So I want to make falafel. So I have some garbanzos right here. And the first step is to soak them a day ahead or just like overnight. So I'm just going to let those stay overnight. Stay tuned for the follow-up video. Okay, so now let's get started with our falafel. So it's been 24 hours since we soaked them. And if you notice, now there isn't any more water because it soaked them. So we have our garbanzos that were soaked overnight. We have 4 cloves of garlic, crushed red pepper, some white onion. You can do white or purple. We have some parsley, some cilantro, salt, pepper, and cumin. And we're going to put that into our food processor. Now, you don't want to add all of the garbanzos at once because it'll get stuck, so you can do it slowly. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to do first just the garbanzo beans, nothing else. Once I have them all blended at a nice consistency, then I'll add the rest of the ingredients. This is the consistency you kind of want for your garbanzos. So now I'm going to go ahead and add the rest of the ingredients, the ones I hadn't added. Okay, now that we've got them all in there, we're going to blend them all together. All right, so now we just have to make our falafel, well, our garbanzos into little balls. And then we're going to fry them. I like using grapeseed oil. I feel like it doesn't feel oily in the end. I mean, I try to avoid frying things frequently. You can also use vegetable oil, canola oil, avocado oil. I personally like grapeseed oil. So once our oil is hot, we're going to begin putting the garbanzos into the frying pan so that we can get our falafel. Okay, so we want to make little balls. I like to make them not too big because you can use them as appetizers or with flatbread. And I like using the spoon to set it into the oil just because I don't use any egg or flour in this, and that way it helps me so they don't fall apart. And then that's what you do. I especially don't want to use egg or anything else in this because I'm making it for some friends that are vegetarian. Okay, and then this is the color. You want to get like a nice golden brown color. And then I just like to set it on the side, get any excess oil off of it, and then continue frying. Okay, so now we've got our falafel ready, and I am going to put it into some flatbread that I'm making. And I am going to add some tomato and a little bit of garlic sauce that I had, and then that's it. Or you can just enjoy them by themselves or over a salad, depends, whichever way. If you like this video, please subscribe. If you have any comments about other things that I should make, or if you have any questions, please comment below and let me know. Thank you.
So, ¿les gustó?
Sí.
¿El falafel?
Sí, muy bueno.
Muy bueno. ¿Te gustó, Lorenz?
Muy bueno, gracias.
¿A ti, Elaine?
Gracias, Jessica. Muy bueno.